How to use Presto Music App. So here is the app built by Presto Classical Ltd. It's one of the top apps for classical music and jazz music. So this app, you don't want to use it if you're looking for pop music or R&B or rock. This is just for classic music lovers. And it has really, I think, one of the biggest collections of classical music. It's not just well-known names like Mozart, Beethoven. These are all new classical releases, all new unknown yet classical and jazz artists. And then also it offers really highest possible streaming quality. So, if you have some like your AirPods Max or some like really nice headphones, really expensive headphones, and you really want to listen classical music in super high quality, this is the app for you. It offers, it claims to have full lossless quality even on a free plan. I don't know, if it's possible with Bluetooth headphones, but this is just like technical details. Anyhow, this is really cool app if you wanna listen to classical music in the highest quality. And you have all these collections, you have all these playlists, new releases, new jazz releases, updated every Friday. Some niche classical musicians, very nice, like jazz recordings of the week, new jazz releases, pre-release tracks, also like library where you can just read all the articles. Then you have all of these, and then you can just discover things like that. And so then you just have it here, and that's basically the idea. Then you have all the news. And again, in the settings, you can just take a look. They're offering full lossless quality on a free plan. Then you can also download tracks. If you're traveling, you can delete your account. And then they also have like a managed plan where you can upgrade. This is just the price in Danish krone. You can upgrade to highest quality sound up to 24 bits, 192 kilohertz. I guess, you need like a wired headphones for that to have to distinguish that, and probably you need that for studio sound, or if you really have some nice equipment. That's like just about like $15 or $14 per month, or there is a cheaper yearly price. So this app is kind of like Tidal app for classics and jazz music. And then there is Streaming Plus plan where you have even more collections. And also in this app, you can purchase Blu-rays, DVDs, CDs, vinyl. You can sheet music, books, instruments, accessories. So it's kind of also like a marketplace for these types of music, which you can get. And so pretty cool. Just go to prestomusic.com. You can read it there. But they now just have an app. And just try it out. You can see all the resolutions and highlighted albums. So, if you're tired of pop music, you want to taste something new, that's the app for you. Also, if you've always been a fan of classical music, definitely take a look at this app. I think there was like a separate Apple Music classical music app, just like a separate app. Apple built that, but now this is another app, Presto Music. So take a look at it.